Zaheer to orang maruburu ko wacho ni lemoni okwadwa bange lemoni koro wadwaro wawinja dichiel kae to bang' awinja ne pach molimo Peter Oreroka.
I wanted to just make some brief comments in regards to echoing and supporting what His Excellency the Deputy President mentioned. Is that we welcomed our friends from ODM under the broad-based arrangement, which is absolutely working very well for the whole country. And I can tell you the ODM cabinet secretaries are doing a very good job. But one thing that must be very clear is that the position of the presidency, which is the president, His Excellency William Ruto's position, and the deputy president's position, is not vacant. We can talk, we can negotiate on any other thing, but not the presidency. The other seats, we are welcoming ODM and many other parties to come and talk to us as UDA. But position ya rais na naibu wa rais haiwezekani. And ODM must know that when we mean broad-based, it means the candidate, the presidential candidate for the broad-based government is His Excellency William Ruto. And the position and the broad-based deputy president candidate is the Honorable His Excellency Professor Kithure Kindiki. Because we are a team and those are our candidates for both broad-based. Lakini mtu kufikiria ati they are going to come and bring a candidate, haiwezekani. The government is big. We can always discuss on how to work together. That's what I wanted to